What will happen in the evening in the forest with a weasel with a teeth that bites so sharp when you're not looking in the evening? And all the friends that you once knew are left behind. They kept you safe and so secure amongst the books and all the records of your lifetime. What will happen in the morning when the world gets so crowded that you can't look out the window in the morning? Now that the family is part of a chain, take off your high shade, start over again. Now that you're lifting your feet from the ground, way up your anchor and never look round. Let's sing a song for Hazy Jane. She's back again in my mind. If songs were lines in a conversation, the situation